Good morning, Balers, and welcome to another Baler Bulletin. I'm Jake Fulmer.
And I'm Courtney Govan.
Rosa Parks was an American activist in the civil rights movement, best known for her pivotal role in the Montgomery bus boycott. The United States Congress has honored her as the First Lady of Civil Rights and the Mother of Freedom movement.
Reflecting on her experiences, she said, "I have learned over the years that when one's mind is made up, this diminishes fear."
Club Ed meets at lunch in room 476, Tuesday, February 15th. New members and new tutors are welcomed.
$2 Tuesday is tomorrow, on Tuesday, February 15th. An envelope will be dropped off to every fourth period teacher tomorrow morning, and we are asking that students donate $2 or whatever they can. Everything helps. Let's help the Orozco-Frosto family in their time of need. Together, we are Baler Strong.
John Mercer Langston was the first black man to become a lawyer when he passed the bar in Ohio in 1854. When he was elected to the post of town clerk in Brunhelm, Ohio in 1855, Langston became one of the first African Americans ever elected to public office in America. This interesting fact is brought to you by the ASB Commissioners of Culture and Climate in honor of Black History Month.
The Baler Bulletin crew, that's us, has openings for cast and crew, so you can learn television production from in front of or behind the camera. Come take a tour and see our awesome studio. Shadow our work for a few days and see if this is for you. The Bulletin is produced in room 205 each day between 7:45 and 8:30 a.m. Come check us out.
And that's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Have a great day, and remember, go
Go
Balers!